So I'm in the gym business.
Yeah.
I took over a small gym from a mentor of mine a couple years ago, my first year out of college. First year or two was all like personal training and like kind of just working with athletes, but recently partnered with some good people. We're looking to make it like a 24/7 model, self-access key club. But we're babies in the business industry. We're babies in content, just starting to try. We got like 250 followers on Instagram, but we're
better than zero.
Better than zero, exactly. So we're starting to grow it. I would just ask maybe what would be some advice that you have for someone who's just starting off? What are some things maybe you've seen specific to the fitness industry that have helped scale, and then maybe just in general, eventually I'd like to kind of grow my own kind of personal brand, be able to down the road step away from the gym and just kind of grow online.
Amazing. Everything I just heard, and as you can imagine, there may not be a more cliche stereotype than the fitness dude who built a fitness business on social and then decided to teach everybody how to build business and build a personal brand. You're like in my pocket. The answer to the question is you need to post 30 times a day on social media, but you have to be good at it. You need to start Googling and YouTubing and podcasting and educate yourself on something I call SOC, strategic organic content. Not just posting happy fucking Wednesday and hoping it works. Like, why are you posting? Let me just pull it up right now. Watch this. You'll like this. I'm going into my phone. I'm going into my content team WhatsApp. And apologize, I need to run to a meeting, so I'm gonna run out pretty quickly here, so I apologize. I'm gonna scroll up. Here it is. Here we go. This morning at 7:21 a.m., Mackenzie on my team said, good morning. I need you to post at 5:04 p.m. and 7:07 p.m. on Instagram. One needs to be a carousel, one needs to be a reel. This is called the science behind the art. I'm not out here posting randomly for ha ha ha. My social media strategy is not the following. All of yours is. I need you to understand the thumbnail, the first 3 seconds, what time you post, how many words, which platform, what's going on LinkedIn carousels, that's different than Facebook carousels, Facebook Reels, what are broadcast channels? Do you know what the fuck is going on? This is now the television. And until you understand that, you are leaving money on the table. Back to scaring them, this is how it works, brother. Right now, everyone, most likely, is just leaving double growth on the table. And then it becomes the thing that puts them out of business. And so please take this serious. What you need to do, how many times a day do you post? I know it's nothing. How many?
Probably one post a day.
And some days not even, right?
Yeah, some days not even.
Right.
Even better about one a day and flooding the stories and stuff.
Right.
It's just Instagram.
Think about where I am in my career and where I want to go and where you are. You want to grow. You're day one.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be the one in this relationship posting 55 times a day. You understand?
Yeah.
You will get customers on LinkedIn. You will get customers on YouTube Shorts. You will get customers on Snap Discovery. You will get customers on Pinterest. And you're in the best business. You're in the visual business. Take your shirt off and let's go. I gotta go. Love you.